Alright, let's take a look at a quick tutorial on how to play Minesweeper. The goal of the game is to discover where all the mines are. Each box here is surrounded by 8 other boxes. So each box has 4 boxes on each corner, and then 4 boxes adjacent on each side, and then one above and one below. The numbers here indicate how many of those 8 boxes have a mine. So wherever you see a 1, that means only one of the 8 boxes around it have a mine. 2 would mean that 2 of the boxes around it have a mine, and so forth. So let's take a look here. If we start out with this 1 right over here, what we know about it is that only one of the 8 boxes around it can be a mine. And then this box is touching 2 closed boxes. So one right below it, and then one at the bottom left. And I can mark those like that. So we don't know which of those 2 boxes have a mine, but we know that only one of them can have a mine because of this one. So we'll leave it for now, and we'll move on to a different box. We'll go to the right of that one, to this one, and here you'll see this one is only touching one box. And I'm marking that right here, so we know that this has to be a mine, and I'll mark it with a mine. If we go back to our original one, we now see that of the 2 boxes we looked at earlier, we now know which of them has the mine, the one right below it, and so the one at the bottom left has to be clear. So we can click on that to open it. And what we opened up here is a 1, meaning that only one of the surrounding boxes is a mine, and we already know where that mine is. It's directly to the right of this new one. So all 4 boxes around it, the one here on the left, I'll open that, the one at the bottom left, the one right below it, and the one at the bottom right are all clear, and there are no mines there. Let's take a look at this one here, same thing. There's only one box touching it, so I'll mark that. And then if we take a look at the 2 above it, you can see the 2 is touching 2 mines, one directly below it, and one to the top left of the 2. So this box needs to be clear as well. And so you can keep going and mark the mines and open up the safe boxes until you discover where all the mines are located. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.